Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have my Ipsy for this month. It took a while to get here because it had to be forwarded, I guess. I don't know what the issue was, why they couldn't just drop it in my mailbox when they have done that at least twice since I moved into this new apartment. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing what I got in my November Ipsy, just keep watching and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel before you leave. Ipsy has just been a mess for me recently. I was missing a product last time. The one before that was super late. I don't know what's going on. I redeemed some of my Ipsy points that you get for reviewing products. So I got the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Facial Wipes. Give those a try. So that's not what's included in the bag this month, but that's that's my free bonus item by redeeming my Ipsy whatevers. So the bag this month is purple with black hearts. It's pretty cute. Inside, from the Balm Cosmetics, I have a nude eyeshadow. This is the shade Nude Beach. Cute little sample. It looks like this. It's a really plummy brown. It's the shade Brave, sorry. Looks like that. A little swatcher here. It's kind of pretty. Next we have an empty box. Hold please. From Youth to the People. This is a repeat that I've already gotten this once from them. The Kale plus Spinach Green Tea Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. I really liked this when I tried it, and I wanted to try it again. The full-size bottle is like 60 bucks or something like that. This one is Skin Iceland Brightening Eye Serum. Skin Iceland is a very expensive brand. I know this because I reset it while my store was under construction. So it's an illuminating eye cream, hopefully to help with dark circles. I have so many eye cream samples that I'm working through to see what actually works. This is from Ciate London. This is a sample of the Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. It's a cute little jar. A little bow decal on the top. Looks like you get a fair amount of product, probably a couple days worth of setting. So that's cool. And then the last thing in the bag is from Incredible. This is an intense color lip glaze in the shade Glazing Over. Or Find Your Light, Not Mr. Right. I don't know how they labeled their shades. It's pretty. A good blood red. As if it's a glaze, I'm assuming that's another word for gloss, but that's a really pretty gloss. And that's it for Ipsy. I am going to cancel my Ipsy. I never use anything that I get from them. It's just a waste of money for me. Like, it's fun to get new samples and try new things, but when I'm just giving away half of them or more, and then there's really no point in doing it, and I would rather save that money to go towards something that I actually want and care about. So, I know this was a quick video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!